Hello and welcome to my training. I am Hamid Razi, coach, master in communication, and expert in hypnosis. I am so happy to start this training with you. It's a real pleasure and honor. I want to start this training by telling you a story. And this is a simple story, and it's the story of Mr. Stubborn. And in this story, Mr. Stubborn is a soccer player. He was called Mr. Stubborn by his friends because he used to do one strange thing. He used to play soccer against an entire team of soccer, believing deep in his heart that he could win. So there is Mr. Stubborn playing against an entire team in a soccer field, trying each time to win, but failing each time, one time after the other. And guess what? Mr. Stubborn always loses each and every time. Mr. Stubborn is actually the story of the conscious mind trying to win against the subconscious mind. The conscious mind tries honestly to beat the subconscious mind, not realizing that he's actually 9 times bigger than him. So he always loses. All because the subconscious mind is 9 times stronger than him. And because he doesn't know that, he doesn't realize that. And this is the story of humanity. What is humanity doing today? Now you can understand why change is so hard, why improving is so difficult, because all comes to changing the subconscious mind. In conclusion, I want to quote Sigmund Freud. The conscious mind may be compared to a fountain playing in the sun and falling back into the great subterranean pool of subconscious from which it rises. This is very interesting aspect of the subconscious mind. It is compared to a subterranean pool against a fountain. So it's really the size. Sigmund Freud is talking about the size, and he's talking about comparing the two, and there is no comparison between the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind is so much bigger. And in conclusion, I want to give you my conclusion, my understanding of hypnosis and of the subconscious mind. To control your mind, control your subconscious mind. To gain true freedom, free yourself from your subconscious mind. And that's all what this training is about, changing your subconscious mind. Thank you so much. See you on the next video.